Hey guys, for today's video I'm going to be making this wood slab right here into like a slab bench about 5 foot long for the entryway or the foyer to my house. Measuring out 5 feet. Cutting a straight edge here on each side. Next comes a lot of passes through the planer to try to get everything even. I wanted that rough cut look to it, but I wanted it to be as straight as possible. Measuring out some more rough cut wood for the leg area. Time to cut the legs to width and a support beam directly underneath the bench as well. And again with my planer. As you can see, all my tools that I normally use are DeWalt. I made the leg area here to the width that the bench was and 24 inches long. With this all being rough cut lumber, I just wanted to make sure everything at least looked even. This was a challenge. Up to this point I've always used either screws, glue, or dowels to hold things together, but with this bench I wanted to try something new. So here I am trying to cut out a rectangle peg hole to support the bench legs. This is my first attempt at trying to use this saw. As you could tell, it's a skill that needs to be honed. I don't normally have the blade up this far, but I just wanted to put it up as far as possible to try to cut as far through the wood as possible. This much of an angle for my peg ended up not working out. It just broke on both ends, so I made it a lot more streamlined after this. Using a dowel kit here to make sure all my holes are lined up. I use Type Bond 3 wood glue for all my woodworking projects. Just grabbed a few heavy items that I spotted around the garage to make sure everything held together. Using early American wood stain and applying an even coat with a clean rag. I love how right here you can see the rough cut chainsaw marks on the top. I applied 2 coats of polyurethane to the leg area right here, and later on I'm going to show you the epoxy coat that I did for the top. I started branding all my woodworking projects, and I think it's a really nice touch. I did 3 coats of epoxy resin topping for the top of the bench here because it was going to be heavily used, and between each coat I ended up sanding it down with I believe 220. This bench ended up making a nice addition to my foyer. If you liked the video, please subscribe and have a wonderful day.